We go up here. See that? It's neat, huh? Pasquale Cup. Bella, hello? Bella, why are you here? Oh, I love him so much. The Rock-afire Explosion. Chuck E. Jasper's Show. It's on DVD. Employee Application. Chucky loves pregnant women. I don't know about that one, Chuck. The Hamburglar, and then some cards I made for Billy Con and never gave out. Monkey. Country Show. 85, I believe. That's Entertainment. There's Robert Gottschert. He was on Jimmy Kimmel. There. Got some goobers. Birthday bash. Some promotional stuff. And new prizes. Nolan Bushnell. Chucky, and Chucky, and Jasper, and Chucky, and Munch, hi Munch, and Chucky, and an orphan. My stickers. They're my stickers. Here they are. I won't give up.